barista coffee po.
Dalawa pong white mocha pre-taste water.
Kape.
Daralan siyang
Puro kape.
Sanji.
Breakfast. Hello. Our designated driver for today.
It's my drawing, guys. Wow! And it has a flag and a flower.
Ano flag?
May isa pa.
Kaya pili tao na rin.
We're at Masa Barefoot Bakers for lunch.
Mom, I want to take a picture of you.
Got chicken snitch, buttered chicken masala, I think. Then chicken lovin'. Next stop, Moninok Cafe. I'm gonna get some matcha latte. Dalawa pong berry matcha. Ice. Hey. We have to walk. Kasi iniwan nila kami. Nag-iinate kasi kami eh.
Matcha-matcha pa eh.
Or yun na to deluxe swim.
po your ID.
Yes? Ito po yung king size bed, no?
Yes.
Complimentary birthday cupcakes.
Happy birthday, Mommy!
Hi, so this is the pool access from our room. Wow! You look like a starfish. Going to the beach na.
Go!
Nice.
Ito na sila yun. Gusto na gilid.
Yeah. Medyo malayo pala sa room natin. It's so nice. Sobrang kalma lang ng dagat. Unlike sa San Juan na sobrang alon. I mean, look at that.
This is concrete. This is concrete.
Wow. Fit check for tonight's birthday dinner. Butter mix, beef shortcake, pork mix. Yum.
Ay, ilalagay doon.
Human being. Human being.
Sarap mo.
Water. Simmer.
Going for a night swim. Paano? Oh. Just drying my hair. And then we'll go to sleep now. Eh, parang di naman maulan na, pero morning. Are you excited to swim again?
Of course. But I just want to swim at the beach.
Yan.
No one even told you.
Water is still calm kahit na umuulan. Really nice.
This beautiful treasure is for you. And also, this is a dinosaur bone. I'll put it in your
Dinosaur what?
bone. And this is a shell.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Welcome to Kaden and Mommy's birthday and vlog.
Ian. Check out time. Kaden. Saan ikaw?
Okay na po, ma'am.
Thank you.
Nung nagpalawan nga ako, nakilala kami dun.
Isang support kare-kare and 2 piece caldereta po.
Wala daw sa hotel.
1,930.
We're at the Great Northwest. Aya. Or El Union. We also got their grilled sandwich.
Ako na kumain. Ano na ako?
Mozzarella cheese.
Blow mo muna.
Yummy! Yummy. Give it you.
picture.
We're leaving Great Northwest, guys. At Masa. We're gonna get some pastries
Tower.
to take home. Parang wala na silang ano. Next time na lang, balik. Paaga po dapat, no?
Lalo pag Sunday.
Let's go.
Yes, and it means baddest of all time. What is?
Bye, LU.
No.
See you again.